Breaking news, Morgan Stanley owns over 1 million shares in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Per a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, banking giant Morgan Stanley holds several shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. Pseudonym market analyst Macroscope broke the news via Twitter. The SEC files indicated that over 30 Morgan Stanley funds hold large amounts of GBTC shares. The biggest seems to be Morgan Inside Fund with over 928,051 Bitcoin shares worth over $36 million or over 700 Bitcoin. However, the Morgan Stanley Institutional Fund Incorporated, the Morgan Stanley Institutional Trust, the Morgan Stanley Variable Insurance Fund, and others seem to have large amounts as well. Back on June 28, 2021, when Bitcoin was still trading in the low $30,000, Morgan Stanley disclosed a big position on the GBTC via their Europe Opportunity Fund. As reported by Bitcoinist, the bank owned 28,298 shares. The investment was valued at $1.3 million, relatively small compared to today's filings. At that moment, Macroscope predicted that the bank would disclose exposition to Bitcoin via an investment product. A few months before, the banking giant became the first US-based financial institution to offer its clients exposition to Bitcoin funds. With over $4 trillion in assets under management, the bank has been doubling down on the crypto industry since that moment, it must be. Morgan Stanley and others want a piece of Bitcoin. In addition to its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust large position, Morgan Stanley has been investing in crypto-based companies. In April, the bank added more BTC exposition via 12 investment vehicles. Also, the bank was a major investor in a crypto company supported by Coinbase. Morgan Stanley led a $48 million Series B funding of blockchain-based platform Securitize. Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, every major bank in the US seems to want to expand their Bitcoin exposition via different investments. Popular crypto exchange Coinbase has benefited from this interest, as JP Morgan and other major players purchased large quantities of its shares. Today's filing by Morgan Stanley could trigger a new wave of adoption, similar to that one that took BTC's price into uncharted territory at the beginning of 2021. At the time of writing, the first cryptocurrency by market cap trades at $48,825 with a 1.1% and 9.6% profit in the daily and 7-day charts respectively. Okay. So, big institutions going big on Bitcoin.